you guys, it's Casey and I'm very excited for today's video because I'm going to be unboxing my new DJI OM4 that just came in the mail like literally 10 minutes ago. I couldn't wait to open it really, but I thought it would be fun to do this with you. Now let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. For those of you who have seen my previous videos, I shoot my vlogs using a smartphone. For me, it's very convenient and easy to use, especially for someone like me who's always on the go. I like the freedom of not having to carry a heavy equipment with me as I shoot for my vlogs and actually enjoy my travel. And it's good that smartphones today have really excellent camera, almost as good as a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. But one problem I always have is when I just hold my phone when I film, I get these really jerky footages. It looks like a Blair Witch project instead of a travel video, which I actually want for my vlogs. But like what they said, if you want to seriously up your filming prowess, what you need is not a better camera, but a better way to hold your camera that's already in your pocket. So I shopped around and found that the best accessory for my mobile filming is this DJI OM4. So I ordered one off Lazada and we're gonna open this together and I'll let you guys know what I think. So let's remove this plastic. Okay. Right. Plastic gone. Ooh, it says create magnetic moment. What's really cool about this OM4 is its magnetic quick mount. So there are really cool features that I'm excited to try here. Okay, so now let's open the box. Okay, so here it gives you instructions on how to clamp and mount your phone on the gimbal. I like the packaging. Alright, so here's the folding gimbal. Alright, I like the pistol grip style. So it's very compact, feels sturdy, but has a good weight. I think this is something that I could carry with me all day without feeling stressed. Yeah, and it extends and it folds like a transformer. And this is a screw-in tripod. Looks pretty basic, but I like that they added this accessory as part of the whole package because this could come in really handy when you're filming, especially when you're someone like me who doesn't have a crew and, you know, I'm basically a one-man show, so I need a tripod to film myself, just like now. And this could actually serve as an extension for the handle, giving you extra room if you want to hold your gimbal with both hands. Nice. The magnetic clamp. Oh jeez, what is this? This is a tiny riser pad for small phones. Okay, look at this. This looks like a box for a fancy expensive chocolates. I like this whole DJI packaging. They're always very clean and neat. Yeah, so it also comes with a magnetic ring. So this is something that you would attach at the back of your phone if you want something permanent, and it comes with this alignment guide, which is super helpful if you want to make sure, you know, that you're sticking it at the center of your phone, and it's really perfect for different sizes of phones. Alright, some adhesives. Right, so it's the manual. There's a lot of these. Okay, quick starter guide. Alright, I'm not gonna read those. I want to try clamping my phone right now. So, oh my god, let's do that again. I like doing this. I love this. Whoops. It's so amazing. Like, I am so happy right now. Like, it literally takes like less than 2 seconds to set up your phone with your gimbal. That is amazing. It's actually pretty strong. Now you could also use this magnetic ring if you want something that is gonna be permanent on your phone, but I don't like doing that, but let's just go ahead and try to. Why do you always get shocked? Alright. Oh wow, it is pretty strong. So this is amazing. This is like a genius innovation. Like, I am so impressed. Like, I mean, do you guys know how frustrating it is to calibrate your phone with your gimbal before you can actually start filming? Okay, let me take out my old gimbal. Actually, it's not mine. I borrowed it from a friend when I traveled to Hong Kong with my girlfriends and I never had a chance to return it. So, hi Clarkson, shout out to you. I promise to return it soon. I don't really need this. You know, I've had this with me the whole time for more than a year and I never really used it. Like, look how hard it is to just even clamp your phone. And balancing your phone is another thing. Like, a couple of times I brought it with me in my travels and I got frustrated setting it up that I just ended up not using it. I mean, I'm grateful for Clarkson for lending this to me and there's really nothing wrong with this design. I think if you really know how to use this, there is no problem. But I'm lazy and I'm impatient, so this whole magnetic thing is definitely a win for me. I mean, you know, just look at that. This is a personal phone after all, and I use it for other things too. You know, take a call, check my Facebook, play Mobile Legends, and when I see an amazing moment, I want to be able to capture that right away. And this thing is a total game changer. Like, it would totally improve the usability of the gimbal for me. I can take smooth, stabilized footages in an instant. And when I'm done, I can do with my thing with my phone again. And it actually looks pretty cool. I mean, I can leave this on my phone and it doesn't feel distracted for me. I mean, I'm digging this. So what else are in this package? Wrist strap. And ooh, a storage pouch. Now, a lot of people were pretty bummed about this because unlike the old DJI Osmo Mobile 3 that comes with a hard shell case, this one only comes with a pouch. But personally, I think this one I like better because the reason why I don't like bringing this gimbal with me is because it actually comes with this kind of a storage pouch, which I think is too bulky and it doesn't fit in my handbag. So this one, I like better. This could really work for me. Now I know that the OM4 works best with an iPhone, but I'm using an Android phone for my vlogs and I really like it. So this is a Samsung S20 Ultra and I also have an old iPhone 7, so I'll try this with both phones. But I've heard some really good reviews about the iPhone 12 Pro, so I am having an internal debate of whether or not I would switch back to being an iPhone user. I never upgraded my iPhone for 3 years now. I mean, when the Huawei Mate Pro series came out, I became an instant fan of the camera quality, so it's what I've been using since then, even now in this video. So now let's sync this with the DJI Mimo app and let's see what it can do. I mean, I'm excited to try out the features. Oh my god, it's synced. Great! I want to try this track me thing. Oh my god, it's following me! OMG. I'm here. I'm here. No, not there. It's still tracking me. And I hate that my house is so small. I feel like some of the features here, I probably have to try outside.
No, you don't need to use the Mimo app to use your gimbal because you can still take photos and videos and control your camera using the buttons on the gimbal. But of course, using the DJI Mimo app gives you the optimal experience for your gimbal because it comes with several features and effects like this dynamic zoom. This is a cool feature to have. I think it gives a very unique effects to your videos, but this is something that I don't really see myself using a lot on my videos. Maybe on some short stories that I probably post on most social media, but it's definitely a good thing to have, you know, available on your DJI Mimo app.
Okay, so right now I'm outside to try the rest of the features of the OM4.
Okay, so as you can see, I've activated the grid lines and the diagonal lines just to make sure that I can really see if I'm at the center or if my horizon is straight. So that's something that you can do on your phone. And right now I'm shooting at a
1080 resolution because I'm using the front camera of my phone, so I'm not gonna be able to shoot anything at a 4K resolution. So one other thing that I really like to try is this hyperlapse, and let's try to again draw a square in my face. Let's see how accurate this follows me. So aside from the normal pano, there's also a feature here that is called clone me, and I'm definitely gonna try that. Let's see how that goes. Oops. Okay. OMG, this is so cool. So those are really cool effects that we've tried, but really the big win for having a gimbal is, you know, the stability that you're having, removing those shaky and jerky footages when you're mobile filming. So this is me walking right now normally. So as you can see, it's really less shaky. This is me running. Look at me run! There you go. I've tried the different features and effects of this DJI OM4, and so far I really like it. I totally enjoyed some of the things, you know, the cool stuff that you can do with this gimbal, and it's definitely something that I see myself using on my travel videos, and even on just, you know, the regular videos that I do for fun. So that's it, you guys. Again, my name is Casey, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos like this.